Good morning. Brenna, it looked like you found the assignment that we did yesterday. You maybe did it the day before because I had it in the classroom already. But we had this Ed puzzle in the classroom for a TED Talk from John about his experience as one of the lost boys and what he has been doing a bit afterwards, and just kind of his encouragement and challenge for certain people. So it looked like you have that finished already, which is wonderful. That's going to, in terms of what we're doing as far as human rights and classwork this week, that'll kind of round out what we're doing. Today, I'm going to show us, we're going to watch some current events from the news. So I haven't done this in a while. It's the website I use is called CNN 10, and it's 10 minutes of the news produced by CNN. So I could put a link to that in the classroom. It's kind of a nice way just to get caught up a little bit on what's going on, designed for students. So I'll put that in there, and then usually I have a little quiz for them to take afterwards. That's not graded. So that's our plan for today in class, and it looks like you have this finished already. So I appreciate your hard work. I think you're doing a good job. And as always, let me know if you have any questions or things that I can help you with. Hope you're doing well. Have a good weekend.